The last decade plus has seen the digitization of many industries, and somehow this global imperative to get products made to your specifications has eluded one of the largest and most important industries in the world, the manufacturing industry. Xometry is democratizing manufacturing, giving everybody access to unlimited capacity, giving everybody access to emerging technologies or innovation in more traditional manufacturing. And likewise, it's a marketplace for the sellers, thousands of small manufacturers to sell their capacity to do what they love most, which is to make things.
A design engineer or a buyer can simply upload their files to our platform, identify the requirements that they need, and get instant price and delivery. And it is that fast.
The thing that impresses me about Xometry is, first of all, they're usually at the forefront of all the latest technology.
We've been building these proprietary algorithms using artificial intelligence to create that instant pricing, that instant lead time, that instant manufacturing feedback that's so important for both the buyers and the sellers. And because we're using machine learning, it gets smarter and smarter, figuring out that optimal match and also figuring out the best price for the customer as well. This technology is the backbone of our marketplace and enables it to work so efficiently.
Our sellers have a dream to run a manufacturing shop. They want to make precision parts. They want to provide good jobs in their community. Sellers come to the job board to see listings of jobs, a selection of which have been curated for them. That curation is based on inputs directly from the seller about the kinds of machines, capabilities that they have, and the machine learning that Xometry is doing all the time about what work that seller has taken before and how they performed on it.
We're really passionate about reducing carbon emissions from the manufacturing industry. Our algorithm now calculates not only the cost and lead time of manufacturing a part, but also the carbon emitted in that manufacturing process. And then we allow those buyers to offset that carbon emitted through either a river, wind, or solar project.
Xometry is able to provide us certainty that we can scale with them, not only in one or two sub-assemblies, but potentially even more. And we've been expanding that relationship faster than was on our roadmap because it's been going so well.
Xometry's played a huge role in my overall life as far as being able to have the work available in order to give you peace of mind.
We're a marketplace that accelerates innovation, supports small businesses, and helps build our collective future.